is changing. Let's find out what is in the next and the next sheet. Calculate quarter. Excel has no built-in function to calculate quarter number, but we can find the quarter number with the help of the following formula. Look at this. What is the formula? Number one formula is round up month B6 divided by 3, 0. This month, according to this formula, is the first quarter. Jan 13 is the first quarter. March 13 is the first quarter. March 13 again is the first quarter. April is the quarter number 2. May is also falling in the quarter number 2. July is falling in the third quarter. September is falling in the third quarter. October, November, December is falling in the fourth quarter. So there isn't any built-in function in Microsoft Excel to find out the quarter number, but this formula is working good. We have another formula by the help of which we can find out the quarter number in fiscal year. This is the common formula which can find and calculate a quarter number from Jan to December. And let's see to find out how to make a quarter with the custom fiscal year. So in this sheet, calculate the fiscal quarter number. As we know that there is no built-in function for making quarter number in Excel, fiscal year quarter is different than of a normal quarter, as normal quarter start from January and end on December. But financial quarter is different than of normal quarter. Fiscal quarter can be from April to March, it can be from July to June, etc. Here is the easy way to find out the fiscal quarter. Now the formula is, for example, we can see that this fiscal year is starting from Jan. Now this fiscal year is starting from April. Look at this. Here is April. This fiscal year is starting from April to March. So this is Jan. If this is Jan and the quarter is ending on March, so this is quarter 4. And this is the formula. Look at this. Choose function has been used. Choose month B8 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So how is this formula working? You can copy this formula exactly the way it is. So with the help of this formula, you can see we can find out the fiscal quarter number in the given date. Look at this. Choose function, index number, value 1, value 2. We can give 254 values, but the first one is optional. So in this case, we have given a choice to Microsoft Excel is to choose, if the month is 1, then choose 4, because in this date the month is 1, so Microsoft Excel will definitely choose this 4. And if Microsoft Excel find out that the date month is 2, it will again give you 4. And if it is find that the date is March, which is a number 3, it will again give you 4. But if Microsoft Excel find out that the month is 4, it means April, then Microsoft Excel will give you 1. So the cleverness of this formula is that these choices are given in this formula according to the month number. So the month number, if the month number falling in this range, Microsoft Excel is going to give you the choice which is correct in this case. I hope you understand, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, as I need subscribe my channel, Professional Accounting. Thank you for watching. Let's see one more section. Fiscal month starts on the 21st, it ends on the 20th of the next month. So here in this formula, with the help of this formula, you can find out the fiscal month, which is basically not starting from first of the month, but it is starting somewhere in the middle of the month. In this case, it is starting from 21. Text E month, B3 is the cell reference, minus 20, 1, MMM is giving you the month. So it will give you the month. In very rare cases, it is happen that someone can say that their fiscal month is starting from 21, or it is starting from 16, or it is starting from 9, for example, date 9. So this formula will work for you. Look at this. The month is 1, 1, 1. Here is March, here is March, here is the month is April. But according to this formula, it is a fiscal month is May. So here the difference started. June is again June, but if you increase your date to 21 June, then this formula says that the fiscal month is July. So it's also kind of case. It's important sometime. If this is the situation, you can come over on this problem with the help of this formula. Thank you for watching, guys.